The affiliate marketing industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry with exciting career opportunities for creatives. It's quickly becoming a common way for e-commerce brands to market their products and services. Statista reports that by 2020 alone, more than 2 billion people will have purchased goods or services online, and online retail sales will have exceeded $4.2 trillion worldwide. Among these billions of people now shopping online, Awin's review of affiliate marketing in 2021 showed that 37% of people purchase products through affiliate links. The best affiliate marketing programs are often free, so it doesn't cost much to get started. Plus, you can go from a side hustle to a profitable business that will provide you with passive income over time. Feeling overwhelmed and don't know where to start? This video will definitely help you with that. So, if you like videos like this, you should definitely subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollar, for more videos like this. And if you did, let's learn all about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a sales model where a company pays a third party to sell their product or service. If you've ever listened to a podcast or seen a social media influencer promote a product, they're affiliate marketers. In exchange for recommending products or services to their audience, they receive a commission on any sales that result from their recommendation. You can find programs directly through company or through an affiliate network like ShareASale. Regardless, the standard affiliate program works like this. First, you decide on a niche. A niche is the segment of a larger market defined by its own unique circumstances. It becomes your specialty and the topic for which you are known. Travel blogging would be a niche for affiliate marketing, as would pet care or tiny houses. There are hundreds of possibilities. So, how do you find a profitable niche that interests you? You should consider some things we will now talk about. Can you solve problems? Affiliate marketers often have specialized training or experience in their particular niche. This gives them new opportunities to present information and help people solve problems. Is it profitable? Do a quick Google search to determine how popular your niche is. Check to see how much competition there is in a field. Read market reports. A well-trafficked niche isn't always a bad thing because it means there are people willing to buy. The goal is to choose a niche that you enjoy. You won't make six figures overnight. Running an affiliate business requires commitment and time. If you already enjoy it, you'll be more willing to keep going, no matter how much money comes in. Then you choose your platform, which is to consider which platform you want to use for your business. Every affiliate marketer has a different platform and a different approach. For example, blogger Ryan Robinson has an Instagram account, but his main source of income is his blog. Other affiliates focus solely on Instagram or TikTok to earn affiliate commissions. Of course, you also have to find relevant affiliate marketing programs. There are a variety of affiliate marketing programs. According to MediaKicks, 80% of businesses use affiliate marketing. So it's important that you find the right program for you. Make sure you don't just focus on high-paying affiliate programs, but find the affiliate offers and products that appeal to your target audience. When choosing an affiliate program, you should pay attention to things like, does the program have a good reputation in the market? You don't want to work for affiliates that people don't trust. Fortunately, affiliate networks like ShareASale and ClickBank review programs and present reliable, profitable merchants you can work with. Does the program have a good commission rate? You want to earn good money for your time and effort. Many programs pay commissions of 10% to 20% for a sale. Choose a rate that's reasonable for you. Does the program have a high profit per click? It is an industry-wide metric that shows the average earnings for 100 clicks in a merchant's program. Networks like ShareASale show you this information for each merchant. Creating valuable content is really important too. Statista reports that people will spend an average of 170 minutes online worldwide in 2019. People consume content, but if you want to stand out from the crowd, you need to make your content valuable to your audience. Blogs are a really good way to do this. FindStack reports that 65% of all affiliate marketers generate traffic through blogging alone. They also reported that in 2023, that people around the world will spend an average of 145 minutes per day on social media. So if you're wondering if you need to have a website to be an affiliate marketer, the answer is no. Advertising on social media is an easy and free way to get your content into the hands of people who might be interested. Even on platforms like Pinterest, there are affiliate opportunities using the pins on your various boards. There are many affiliate marketers who operate solely on social media, like Amanda Kearney, who became an influencer through her vlogs on YouTube and is now a prominent influencer and affiliate marketer on Instagram with over 24 million followers. If you have a blog, you should learn about and understand search engine optimization. BrightEdge reported in 2020 that SEO attracted over 1,000% more visitors than organic social media. Researching keywords and implementing SEO well are critical to reaching your audience. Email marketing is another way to keep customers interested who've already visited your website. And without building an audience, you can't make it work. To build an audience, you need to reach them first. Building email lists helps you to reach your audience directly. You can send newsletters, updates on new content, and interesting offers directly to anyone who signs up for your email list. If you're primarily active on social media, follow and tag influencers who are interested in your niche. Most importantly, do everything you can to drive traffic to your website or social media page. Attracting them is only the first part. Now it's important to build trust between you and your audience to keep them coming back. DFAS advises, write about things that add value to your audience and help them connect and make a better, more informed decision about the opportunities they have. Don't try to sell your audience anything just to make a quick buck. The more they feel your genuine interest, the more they'll trust you. And the last one is always follow FTC regulations. This one is really important. The FTC protects consumers from deceptive marketing practices. Unfortunately, there are affiliate marketers who are more than willing to promote scams and misleading products and services to make a quick buck. To prevent this, the FTC requires that every affiliate marketer disclose their financial relationships with the brands or products they promote. In short, you need to tell your audience that you receive compensation for promoting the products you advertise. And you must always indicate that a link is an affiliate link in order to comply with FTC regulations. What are the benefits of affiliate marketing? Now that you know how affiliate marketing works, let's look at some of the key benefits. You don't own any of the products you promote. Most public affiliate programs are larger and don't require you to buy any of the products you're recommending, such as Amazon Associates. You simply join the affiliate program in question, create your link, and post it on your page or website. This is perfect to start with because you don't have to invest a bunch of money in physical or digital products right away. You can take some time and experiment to find out what types of products and services resonate best with your audience. And it's a passive source of income, which is something we can all easily enjoy. Once you have the basics in place to keep traffic coming to your website, you're pretty much set. All you have to do is choose the right affiliate partners that appeal to your target audience and publish those links. Your unique links and codes will continue to earn you a regular commission as long as you keep them visible on your website. High earning potential. Affiliate marketing offers six-figure earning potential to newbies. You may not make that much right away, but affiliate marketing has the potential to replace your 9-to-5 job. Pat Flynn, for example, reported to Business Insider that he earns up to $170,000 per month thanks to affiliate marketing business. People like Adventure Junkie and founder of Biking Know-How, Rohan Kadam, also used affiliate sales to turn his blog from a hobby project into a successful online business. I scaled my affiliate marketing business, especially during the difficult pandemic COVID, and made it profitable in a short time. That's why Rohan quit his full-time job at JPMorgan Chase and is now a full-time blogger and affiliate marketer. And that concludes this video. Now that you know everything you needed to start making money, go out there and make some big bucks. Of course, if any help is needed, you can always ask us down in the comment section. And for more videos like this, subscribe to our channel, Hungry Dollar. Also, see you in the next video. Goodbye.